Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to create your very own 3D nail art charms. Here's just a few examples of some of the ones I've made and organized into a nail art wheel. I was recently sent some items for review from Bundle Monster, and one of the items I chose were these really neat looking 3D silicone molds. Here I have set 6, which came with 25 molds, but they also have a few other sets to choose from, and we'll make sure to have the links for you guys listed down below. Here's a quick look at some of the designs that came within this set. Keep in mind there were definitely a lot more, but just wanted to show you guys a select few for reference. To begin the demonstration, I'll be using this floral rose mold. I'm starting off by filling in the area with a red gel polish using a nail art brush, but feel free to use whichever colors your heart desires. With the nail art brush, I'm making sure to sort of move around the gel polish to ensure that it gets into all those little nooks and crannies. Using a pink gel polish, I'm filling in the smaller sized rose. Continuing on with a purple gel polish, I'm filling in the smallest sized rose. Lastly, I'm filling in the larger rose with a blue gel polish. I went ahead and cured these under my LED lamp off camera, and now it's time to remove them from the molds, which I found to be super easy and effortless, as you guys can see how easily they just pop out of their molds. Moving on with this heart mold, I'll be showing you guys how to create a multicolored charm. Start off by filling in the smaller heart area with a red gel polish and cure in your LED or UV lamp before moving on to the next step. Once the smaller heart is cured, fill in the larger heart with a pink gel polish and cure. Feel free to leave the charms as they are or seal with a glossy gel top coat as I'm doing here. What would this demo be without me showing you guys how easily they apply over top the nail, and here I'm adhering the charms onto my nail using nail glue. Wrapping things up here with my final thoughts, and I really had a lot of fun creating these charms. The possibilities are endless, as you guys can customize your nail charms with your preferred color combos. In this demo, I only showed it being done with gel polish, but you can also use acrylic or resin. The gel polish I used is soak off, so it might not be the sturdiest, so perhaps using a hard gel might be best if you are going the gel route. I was working with what I had on hand and just love how much fun I had making all of these charms. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and would love to hear your thoughts down below. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you back in my next video. Until then, remember, creativity is at your fingertips. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!